Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Make sure the watch has at least 50% battery and your phone is nearby. Once done, confirm the watch model and the account email and password you used to pair it. You'll need those after a reset. Next, back up any health or app data to the cloud or your phone because a full reset will erase everything. Now, move to the watch settings or the companion app to attempt the built-in unlock options. You'll try the least destructive method first. Open the companion app and select Remote Unlock or Lock Screen Reset because this preserves your pairing and some settings. If that doesn't work, make sure the watch is on, then go to Settings, find System or General, and select Reset or Erase all data. This removes the password. For button-based models, you may need a specific long press or a combination of buttons to force a factory reset. Once the reset completes, you'll repair the watch through the companion app and sign back into the original account. This restores connectivity and lets you set a new password. Make sure to follow prompts to restore any available backups so you retain key data. If activation lock or account verification blocks setup, use the account recovery flow for the associated email. If things still fail, restart both devices, reinstall the app, and contact the manufacturer's support for assistive verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.